To capture a WorldPay hosted payment page, you need to follow a series of steps that ensure a seamless and secure payment process for your customers. First, you need to have a WorldPay account and be familiar with the WorldPay payment gateway. The process begins with setting up your WorldPay account and obtaining the necessary installation ID and other credentials. You will then need to redirect your customers to the WorldPay hosted payment page where they can securely enter their payment details. To achieve this, you will use the WorldPay payment link, which is a URL that you construct using your installation ID and other parameters such as the payment amount and currency. You can also customize the payment page to match your brand by adding your logo and other visual elements. Once the customer is redirected to the payment page, they will enter their payment details, which are then processed by WorldPay. After a successful payment, WorldPay will redirect the customer back to your website, where you can display a confirmation message and update the order status. To handle the redirect and update the order status, you will need to set up a callback URL on your website that WorldPay can use to send the payment result. This callback URL should be able to handle the payment result parameters sent by WorldPay and update the order status accordingly. Throughout the process, it is essential to follow best practices for security and data protection, such as using HTTPS for all communication with the WorldPay payment gateway and ensuring that you comply with the payment card industry data security standard. By following these steps and best practices, you can capture a WorldPay hosted payment page and provide a secure and seamless payment experience for your customers. This will help increase customer trust and satisfaction, ultimately leading to increased sales and revenue for your business.